Look how tender the steak is, guys. Look. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's recipe, I'll be making the best steak ever. That's right, best steak ever. Here are some of the ingredients that I'll be using for today's recipe. Okay guys, so let's start off by seasoning our steak real quick. So I have a little bit of cayenne pepper, steak seasoning. We're just gonna combine the two. Add our ground coffee. And then you just wanna mix all three together. All right, so guys, let's make sure the steak is well seasoned, both sides. Alright guys, my oil is nice and hot, ready to go. So we're just gonna add the steak. As you can see, my steak is nice and dark. That's the color I'm looking for right now. All right, so we're just gonna flip it over and cook it for like 2 to 3 minutes on the other side. All right, guys, so this, I added some rosemary, fresh garlic. This is gonna add that extra kick to your steak, that extra boost, you know, aromatics, extra flavor. All right, you don't want your steak to be bland. You want it to be flavorful. So whatever ingredients you have at home, you could always add it to your steak. Don't be afraid to add flavor. Right now the steak is looking juicy, tender. All right guys, so we're gonna let the steak rest for like about a minute. We're gonna take it out of the pan, let it sit for like a minute or two before we start slicing. 2 tablespoons of butter, unsalted butter, and we're just gonna let that sit until it's fully melted. Look how tender the steak is, guys. Look. Alright guys, definitely try this recipe and let me know how it is. Please leave a comment. Wow. My God. Super tender. You know, not salty. A little bit of spice. So if you're afraid of the spice, you know, you can still try this recipe. Juicy, tender, flavorful. Can't ask for much more, you know. Here we go. Alright guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. This steak right here, trust me, try this recipe, you won't be disappointed.